It's a no-brainer to add affiliate marketing as a new revenue stream if you already have a website. If you don't already have a website, consider making affiliate marketing one of your primary revenue streams as you prepare to launch. Affiliate marketing has the advantage of allowing you to earn money in a passive manner, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Once you've created your affiliate marketing material, it keeps earning money while you sleep, travel, work on other projects, and so on. However, just because affiliate marketing is a passive revenue source does not imply it is simple. Setting up successful affiliate marketing tactics takes time and effort, which is what we'll go through in this video. You may be familiar with this if you've attempted affiliate marketing before. You publish some content, include your affiliate links, and then nothing. Where have all the commissions and clicks gone? Is this even a viable source of income? Hello and welcome to the Personal Finance Lab. Make sure you subscribe and you hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we post a new video. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't hesitate to leave comments down below if you've got any issues, questions, or comments about the video. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. In the realm of affiliate marketing, you've undoubtedly discovered the ideal way to generate money online by finding this video. Stay with us for strategies and tricks on how to make your first $100 with affiliate marketing faster and easier. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to receive notifications whenever we release a new video. Also, if you have any suggestions, hit the like button and write in the comment box below. I'll keep it short and sweet, so don't worry. Affiliate marketing is much more than simply adding links to your blog posts or Instagram feed. You'll need a system. You can scale your revenue if you have a strategy in place and are consistently collecting affiliate income from a few top sources. The sky is the limit if you can make your first $100 via affiliate marketing. The tactic you use to earn your first $100 are the same ones you'll use to earn your next $1,000 and beyond. What is affiliate marketing and how does it work? Affiliate marketing is when you promote a product and earn a commission if someone buys it after clicking on your link. Let's say I run a website dedicated to the top kitchen appliances and gadgets. I'll use affiliate links to advertise and share information about various culinary products. I'll get a commission if someone clicks through and buys one of the things I've recommended. How do I start an affiliate marketing business? Here's how to get started in 3 easy steps. Number 1, consider your product types from a strategic point of view. Focus on products that make sense to your target audience when selecting products to advertise. There's an affiliate program for practically every product under the sun, so pick one that fits your business and your audience's interests. Number 2, only promote products in which you believe. Better yet, only promote things that you use. Treat the things you advocate as if they were your own and only try to sell them if you're willing to risk your reputation for them. Number 3, submit an application for affiliate programs. Apply to their affiliate programs after you've brainstormed the greatest products or businesses to promote. Many individual brands offer affiliate programs, but you can also apply to large-scale programs that cover a variety of products. Let's discuss how to figure out the programs to participate in. What are the best affiliate programs to participate in? Focus on 1 or 2 affiliate programs to join when you're first starting. If you wish to advertise a certain product or brand, apply directly to their program. You can generally locate an application link on a company's website, or you can write them an email asking whether they have an affiliate program. Consider joining a huge affiliate network if you want to advertise a certain category or range of products. Amazon, Matrix, Network, ClickBank, eBay, Partner Network, CJ Affiliate, AffiliAx, Target, and others are examples. To be admitted into some affiliate networks, you must have a certain amount of traffic or content. If this is the case, you should start developing content and building a following before applying. After you've applied and been accepted, go back to your website and add affiliate links. How are affiliates compensated? Affiliates are compensated based on how many sales are generated through their affiliate links. The percentage commission you earn is determined by the program in which you participate. Amazon's affiliate network pays between 4 and 30% for each transaction, although some high-end digital products might pay up to 50% per sale. When you join an affiliate network, you'll usually have access to a dashboard where you can track your clicks and commissions. The most effective ways to earn money through affiliate links. Making money through affiliate links necessitates planning. Not only should the items you promote be ones that your target market is interested in, but you should also consider how best to spread the word about them. Here are some ideas of how to share your affiliate links. Number 1. Write blog articles. Focus on providing value to your readers when employing affiliate links in blog posts. Your piece should not read like a sales pitch. Instead, it should be chock full of interesting and useful information for your readers. Number 2. Make product reviews. One strategy to share affiliate links with your audience is to write product reviews. Share your thoughts on the product, including any photos or videos you may have taken with it. Number 4. Develop bonuses. A bonus is a way to entice your audience to purchase an affiliate product. As a result of purchasing through your affiliate link, customers may receive new content, support, or access, including a bonus that can be just the thing to persuade someone to make a purchase. How to make your first $100 in affiliate marketing. We've discussed various parts of affiliate marketing, but here's a step-by-step guide on how to get started and earn your first $100. Number 1. Choose the products you'd like to promote. Number 2. Apply to affiliate programs. Number 3. Develop content that promotes the products or businesses you're advertising. Number 4. If feasible, take pictures or videos of yourself using the products. Number 5. Create a variety of product-related materials such as a blog article review, an Instagram video of you using the product, a comparative guide that you can put on Pinterest, a how-to guide ebook download, and so on. Number 6. Share your content more than once. To gain traction, share your material multiple times and in diverse ways. Number 7. Monitor which links generate the most clicks and sales to see what works. Number 8. Follow up with customers who buy. Treat the products you promote as if they were your own, and ensure that your audience has the finest possible customer experience. For me, step number 6 is the most important step in making your first $100 with affiliate marketing. You'll gain momentum if you create high-quality content and share it with your audience regularly and in a variety of methods. This is where your plan comes to play. You should imagine yourself in the shoes of your target market and go through the process of buying with them. Is the video you're advertising difficult to understand? Make a video tutorial on how to utilize it. Do you get the same inquiries about a product all the time? Make an FAQ page. What kind of outcome did you get using the product? Using images, create a personalized before and after. Although affiliate marketing is a sort of passive revenue, you must actively promote the products from which you wish to profit. When you publish affiliate content that adds value to your audience, they will automatically click and buy. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a simple method to make money online by monetizing your content. Affiliate marketing is changing as time goes on. Bloggers and email lists used to be the major ways to exchange affiliate links, but now influencers can make a lot of money advertising associate items thanks to social media. Whatever approach you use, make sure the things you promote are relevant to your target market and that you avoid any unethical actions. Do you participate in affiliate marketing? Which strategies are the most effective to you? We'd like to hear from you in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.